Hello, I'm Bobby Miles from Texas Skid Steer. We're showing you a 2007 John Deere CT322. The hours on it are 2,263. It's got a 66 horsepower diesel engine in it. Operating load of 2,200 pounds. Has a tipping load of 6,400 pounds. We're asking $16,900 for it. It's a good, solid running machine, ready to go to work. It's got a good undercarriage under it. It's got auxiliary hydraulics. It's just a good, solid machine. You can see all of our machines that we have for sale at texasskidsteer.com. You can give me a call at 817-668-1018, or you can come on out to Springtown, Texas at 1490 Highway 199 West. So give me a call, or just come on out to Springtown and see us. We show machinery 7 days a week by appointment. Thank you, and I hope to meet you in person. Y'all have a good day.